Hi, I'm Madame Pamita, and I love teaching about magic. If you have a question about spells, the law of attraction, spirituality, witchcraft, Slavic folk magic, spirits, divination, you can join me on Sundays at the Live Magic Q&A where we record an episode of my podcast, Magic and the Law of Attraction, and then I answer your questions on anything mystical or magical live over Zoom. Just go to spellsquad.com to get the link to join me in the clubhouse. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you get a gentle, magical reminder and you'll be the first witch to see whenever anything new goes up. Here's a great tidbit from one of our past Q&As answering a really important spiritual question.
Joanna has a question. How do I remove stagnant money, job, energy? Stagnant energy, things just sort of seem the same. What do? I want things to move. I want my money to start, it's not going backwards, but it's not moving forward either. That's stagnation. It's just sort of staying the same. And you want progress, motivation, fire under it. So when I think about energy, I think about fire. And when we do fire magic in our homes, certainly if we have a fireplace, we could do fire magic, but not everyone has a fireplace. Easiest way to do fire magic, a candle, right? Do a candle spell. Fire increases motivation, action, taking action, going for it, boldness, everything that you need, confidence, everything that you need to attract more money. So do a money spell. We mentioned earlier, we were talking about the frog spell, the money frog spell. If you do a frog candle is for attracting money, and a candle has fire energy. That's great. But you've got a lot of options when it comes to money spells and candles, because basically any candle in either green or yellow, green is sort of for people in the States, represents money. Yellow represents gold, which is universally seen as a money color. So you can use yellow or green candles and find one that works for you. So some of the ones that I can think of that would be great for money magic: pyramid candles. Pyramid candles are for building something strong and long lasting. So if what you want to do is build your money, build your career, build all of this stuff, then a green or yellow pyramid candle would be an amazing choice for doing a spell. We have a pyramid power spell that you can spell kit that's ready to go. Add an affluence booster pack and you have a deluxe spell right there, right? Another one that's really good is if you want to bring more energy to your career, luck, opportunity, and abundance in the home as well, then the horseshoe spell is really good for that. So the horseshoe candle has three elements in it that are very magical, and people don't really clue into this spell and don't really see what I see when I look at it, right? So that candle has two sides. On the front side, we have a horse with a horseshoe around it. What is this, for plain horse races? No, this is something that you can bring in really good energy to career and money. Horseshoe, good luck energy, right? Well, we need luck, get our luck flowing and get that moving. Horse energy, courage, success, independence, confidence, the beauty of horses, the strength of horses, the motivation and action of the horse. We can bring the horse energy to be there to help us with our intention. On the back side of the candle, there's an image of a house. So you can bring that energy to your house, into your home, bring that abundance energy, that success energy, that prosperity, and that career success into your home. So you kind of get a 3-for-1 with the horseshoe candle, because you get the luck element, the horse, and the house all in one candle, which is a great one too. Another one that would be really good for a money spell there. I mean, really, you can go look at all the candles and you can probably figure out what one appeals to you and just get it in green and gold. But another one that comes to mind is the cauldron spell. The cauldron spell kit, or the cauldron candle, is the cauldron of magic. And cauldrons are for transformation, movement, getting something going, growing, and like that cornucopia, seeing that energy grow. So if you want to do the cauldron of magic, the spell kit is amazing. I love the spell kit because it shows you how to inscribe on that candle in a special way to make transformation. You do a spiral. It gives you the nail for inscribing everything that you need, and you can get that in green or yellow and really change and transform your situation. So if you're wanting some change, you're wanting some positive change, cauldron spell would be great, cauldron candle spell. So those are what I'm thinking, because fire magic is really about transformation, change, motivation, action, passion, all of those things. We want to bring fire into it. That's a great thing to do. That's get moving things. Now, you said remove stagnant money, job energy. You could do a cleanse, a bath cleanse beforehand. You could do an abundant prosperity bath before you did your candle spell. If you feel like there's something sticking to you, something negative that you need to get rid of, an abundant prosperity bath, and then do your candle spell. Chef's kiss. That's a great spell for changing that energy, that stagnant energy.